Hi guys, and welcome to The Colorful Gardener. My name is Josh, and today I just want to make a quick video and show you how I save my zinnia seeds. If you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing for more gardening videos. Okay guys, so it's winter time. I've got a nice thick sweater on and I am hunkered down for winter. And so I still want to do stuff in my gardens. What can I do? What I can do now is collect the seeds from the flower heads that I've gotten from my garden. And what I mean by that is in my jungle garden, I collected some zinnia seeds and they were the best of the best. I really favored these flower seeds. So what I did is I put the flower seeds in this brown paper bag. This is how I like to store my flower seeds. It keeps them nice and dry. Some people put them in plastic bags, which I don't recommend because plastic bags will make your seeds accumulate mildew and moisture, and that will kill your seeds. You need to make sure these seeds stay extra dry in a cool place. And so what I do is I put them in a brown paper bag in my garage until I'm ready to harvest them and put them and ready for use in the springtime. Okay, so this is a zinnia flower. It's a dried zinnia flower. It's a dark red, and you see the stalk and you see the flowers. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna harvest the seeds from this flower. And what I like to do is to take my fingers. You could yank them out, but you're not gonna get all the seeds out of this area, which I think is called a peduncle, if I'm correct. So what I do is I take my fingers and pull gently away from the zinnia head, and sometimes it'll snap, and you can see as I'm pulling away, let's see, zoom. There we go. You can see the zinnia seeds right here, and they're a nice beige color. Now that indicates to me that they may not be the best viable seeds. What I'm looking for are really dark seeds. I'm still gonna save these because zinnias are super easy to grow in the garden. So I'm gonna save every one of these seeds because I will probably get a bunch of zinnias growing in my garden if I sow these. And they're also not the biggest. What you're looking for are the biggest, darkest looking seeds to save. So I'm gonna continue pulling away the petals, the dry petals away, and I'm gonna show you guys how I get the seeds out. I'm gonna put this on the table so you guys can see it better, and it gets against a white envelope so you can see. But there is the flower. So what I'm gonna do is it's gonna take my fingers and slowly pull away, and as you can see right there, the seeds are coming out. These are really nice dark seeds. I'm gonna pull that away. And as you can see, they're attached to the petals. There we go. There are the zinnia seeds. These seeds over here are very light and these are kind of darker. So these are really good viable seeds. The more I pull away from the flowers, I'll see different shades of beige to dark, and these are gonna be more viable than say these. So I'm gonna save all these seeds. I'm gonna show you real quick. Just take your thumb, pull it away gently from this tip of the flower stalk. Just use your thumb and pull it away. And just run your finger over the rest of flower to get any stray flower seeds out, and that is it. And as you can see here, the dried flower bits are attached to the seed. See, it looks like little arrowheads attached to the flower bits. I'm gonna say I have about 50 seeds from one little flower. So here's another one. It's another dried flower. So I'm just gonna take my thumb and pull away gently. There we go. These are really dark. So let me pull these away so you guys can see. Come on, focus. So these are a lot darker than the first ones I had. These are gonna be really good. Again, this is how I just clean my zinnia seeds. Just take it like that, run my thumb over to get any extra bits out. You wanna save all the seeds you can get. You'll see little stray seeds popping out of the flower head as I'm pulling them out. This is a little messy, so use a clean surface or use a bare flat surface to collect these seeds on. Usually a better idea would be to put a piece of paper underneath it so you can collect it much easily. So here's one more. Just taking my thumb and pulling away gently. See, if I was to pull away really hard, it's gonna break off these petals and the seeds are gonna be stuck inside of the flower head. So if I just gently pull away, I can get those seeds out. I'm just gonna run my finger over it to catch all those little seeds out. Okay, so I'm gonna pour the rest of these zinnia seeds out just to show you how many I got from at least 6 flower heads. As you can see, one right here, there's a nice dark one. And if you want to be really fancy, you can pop off the petal, one little zinnia seed. And that's pretty much it, guys. I'm not gonna pop off the petals to all these zinnia seeds. They'll actually just fall away from the seeds as when I, like in the bag, I'll put these back in the bag and let these, you know, just kind of break apart. But oh, look at that. Look at those seeds. Oh, like I said, this is very easy. So once you have all those seeds out on your table, what I like to do is I put all of my seeds inside of an envelope versus a plastic bag. Again, you're inviting mildew and humidity to those seeds, which will cause them to expire, versus a nice dry envelope will keep them safer for longer and ready for spring out in your garden. Again, so I'm just gonna take these seeds. I'm gonna take these seeds and I'm just gonna put them inside this envelope, like so. And that's pretty much it. And then you write whatever the name of the zinnia on the envelope, so you are ready to sow these out in your garden. You'll know what they are. Again, this is supposed to be just a quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked it, hit that like button. Again, if you're new here, go ahead and consider subscribing. My name is Josh, and you've been watching The Colorful Gardener. I'll see you guys in the future gardening videos.